Hey guys, it's Emmanuel Lunk again with Ready for the Lifestyle, and this video is about, obviously you know, another approval. Let's open the mail. So before I get into the approval, every 6 months is a process for me that I go through in my business for other rounds of approvals, just financing. And I think that's something that everyone should practice, keep a good credit score, business score, good banking history, so that you can keep on going for funding as well. So let's get into opening this mail that I have here. All right, yeah, for real, let's do it. So as a general rule, every 6 months I go for funding for my business, to keep some capital in the line. You never know when you need it, especially, having opportunities. And I love to have funds for opportunities. So let's open up the mail. I actually applied for some new credit cards. I don't know how long. Usually, it's a 6-month process, and I start looking for new funding opportunities. So this one is, I gotta hide the number from you guys. I'll hide it in the. This one is about $4,000. $4,000. Ooh, a business Costco card. I got this approval from Costco, and it actually went well. So what I did do was there's another video explaining exactly how I applied. Obviously, I block out personal information, and I go through the process of filling out the application online. And this is what the card looks like. Bam! See that? See that? Bam, 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 bam. So, the purpose of me doing this is to show you that you can do it exactly what I'm doing too for your businesses or your startup companies. As long as you have the credit history, your business credit history, that blueprint is set up, then you can be doing this as well. Also, personal guarantee is also something that you can start up a business with and be qualified for. If you personally guarantee it, the sky's the limit too as well. So let me just tell you about some of the benefits of this card, okay? So one of the main reasons why I got this card is strictly because of the cashback rewards. So I'm just gonna tell you a few of them. This is something that you should take in mind when you're filling out an application for a credit card. It's very important to look at the benefits of the card, not just getting cards just for the heck of it, and also in business, the reporting aspect, because you want all of this to be recorded. So let's get into the benefits. So this card right here is the Citibank Visa by Costco. So the first reason that I have is the 1% cash back that you get on all of your purchases that's made with this card. So perk number 2 is the 2% cash back you get at shopping at Costco and Costco.com as well. Perk number 3 is the 3% you get back on restaurants and travel rewards worldwide. Perk number 4. You get 4% cash back on gas and any eligible gas station worldwide, plus at Costco. And those are the 4 perks that's in this business card. But with any business card, please do read
card agreement.
Very important that you know exactly what you're getting into. Obviously, if you spend money,
you have to pay it back.
But the whole purpose of us doing this is actually to build business credit history and also to be able to obtain substantial capital. So check the link below. I'm going to leave a link towards the application so that you can go ahead and apply if you know that you're credit worthy. So again, be mindful of that. And thanks for tuning in. We'll see you soon for the next video. Ready for the lifestyle.